Look what I found.
You got some zucchinis?
Look at them all.
Look at them. Can you tell everybody what we're going to do today?
I don't know what they're called.
Zucchini Antipasto.
Yeah.
Let's call them a Zucchini Antipasto.
My God, look at them all.
How do you know when it's done?
These,
Yeah?
see, these are already good to go. They're harder. This
Hard.
is soft.
This is soft.
See how the nails go right in?
Yes. Yes.
See these? These.
Yes.
See how hard they are?
Yes.
This one.
Can you tell everybody where we are today?
We're in Castropignano, Italy.
Oh, look. It's
There's
Nonna
your mom.
Paolone over there doing the laundry organic style.
Okay, so now the first step is we're going to wash them. We're going to wash them all, and then we're going to take the ends off.
Yes.
All of these off. And then we're going to start slicing, and we're going to take the seeds off. Washing them very good.
Okay.
Okay, but while we're washing them, I'm going to take these heads.
These things are huge.
Yeah, and they're perfect because the knife is hard against them.
They're not this big in the grocery store when we buy them in California. No.
We usually buy them like this.
Like this.
Like this, or a little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger, okay. But they're both good.
Now, you see this?
Yeah.
This is all the seeds. You don't want those in there.
Okay.
I take them all out, just use the flesh.
Okay, let's...
I'm going to start on the small one here.
Oh, so you slice them in half.
Now you see, this one doesn't have too many seeds, but I'll take them out anyway. Like that.
You keep the skin on?
Yeah.
Oh.
Like that.
Oh, and then you slice them right away.
Hi.
Oh, Ma, you gonna come help us? Look, she brought over cookies. Ma, did you just make those cookies? Mm-hmm. Let me see what kind of cookies you made, Ma.
The ones with the fruit, I think.
So cut them.
That's why I said.
See, you try to have them about the same size. Now this. Now this one you have to take them out.
Oh, so look, you got
See?
seeds in this.
I got seeds
So
in
you're
there.
gonna cut those. Yeah, what about if they're really thick? How do you...
You do like this, you take it out.
See?
Oh yeah, you do take it all out.
It comes off really, really easy.
Okay.
Because you see a lot is, you can see, look.
Yeah.
See?
And they come out very easy. All you have to do is lift them up with your knife and they come out.
But look how big these are and...
Oh yeah, but once with the salt, they're going to be
shrink.
nothing.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Because we still Jaffa misschien laatst.
Okay, so now you take out...
See how easy they come out?
Oh yeah.
You can
So
see
the bigger ones are easier.
The round thing. You can see it.
They separate. They start to separate.
See? Look, this one.
Yeah. These are like pumpkin seeds.
Actually,
They're like pumpkin
like
seeds.
pumpkin seeds.
Yeah. Now,
Because this one is...
Oh, okay, so you
I'm
cut
gonna
them
cut
in
this
half.
one in
Okay,
half.
that's what I was wondering if you were gonna do that.
because this is hard.
And too big.
I'm going to put salt on there.
Oh, she's gonna start to put salt.
Yeah.
Oh, that's her little salt bucket container.
You want to use the one...
So what-
Solo che salt here?
Huh?
So that's all you have, the salt?
Yeah.
So add
Okay,
some
don't
salt.
use this.
And what's the purpose of the salt?
The purpose of the salt is you'll see as I cut them, water will come out of these.
Okay, so
And that's what you want out. You want all of that water because these have to be mushy.
mushy. Okay, and the salt, the more you add the salt,
Oh yeah, but you don't
Sure
want to
it
add
is.
too much.
you don't want to add too much.
No.
So how
See
much?
there, see if you see the underneath my hands, see the water that's coming out?
It is. Oh. Yeah, your hands
They
are
sweat. The
they
zucchini sweat.
With the salt, they make it sweat.
See, they're all wet.
It's all wet. And how much did you put in there?
I put a teaspoon of these, just of these.
Okay, but you're gonna add more. So the
Oh,
more
yeah.
you add, the more you put the salt.
Okay.
So you do every layer of salt. You
Right.
layer.
So now you'll see next ones I do.
Okay, what's that?
Oh, we got more salt here.
Okay?
Oh, look how many we've cut so
Wow.
far. And that was just like, how many?
I don't
Three?
remember. I don't
Three of them?
remember.
Okay, so now we're gonna add more salt to this one, and then we're gonna start another bowl.
Okay.
See the salt? Okay, yeah, now I'm gonna mix them around.
That's a lot of zucchini. It's gonna shrink up. It looks like
Oh
a lot
my
now,
gosh.
but it will shrink up.
See the salt, the water on the bottom?
Let's see. Oh yeah, already.
See?
That's a lot of water. And that was caused from the salt.
That's all from the salt.
The salt drains all the water out.
You'll see now, when we let these rest, and we'll start the other bowl.
Yeah.
There'll be a lot of water in them. We can already start draining them. Now I wanted to show you, Lori.
Yeah.
These are the finished product.
Oh, yeah, she made these last week too, as much as these ones, and this is all she has left
Oh
over.
no! The only things I have left over. See?
Leftover,
See?
yeah.
See how shrivelly they are?
Yeah.
But they're crunchy.
Crunchy.
Yeah.
And how long can you keep, do they keep for?
Oh, they keep for a long time in the refrigerator.
Like a month?
Oh, a month, 2 months, but they don't last that long.
Oh, because everybody eats them.
Everybody eats them.
So this was from the inside of those.
Yeah, look at them all.
Look
See?
at them all. So those
See?
just all go in the
You
trash.
don't like, I don't want these in there.
Yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna add some salt.
Okay. Okay, so here's 1 scoop. Mix it around.
Ok, now, diamo un'altra girata a questo qua. Look at all the water.
Wow, and that was just not.
Look.
That wasn't even 5 minutes.
Yeah.
Guys, we're done now.
We're done. We're gonna let them stay in the salt for about an hour and a half. Okay, so I'm gonna drain. Look at all the water.
Yeah. So this has been sitting for about an hour.
Yeah, it's about an hour.
Yeah. And salt. And look how much water came out of it. And so,
Look at
if
this.
you don't have this, what would you have done?
Okay, now, if I didn't have this, I would take these zucchini,
Yeah.
the way they are, I would put them in a tea towel
Yes.
or an old tablecloth, okay? I would have put them in here,
Yes.
like these in here, and then I would just grab the ends, like this,
Yes.
like this, and like this. So pretend all of these are zucchini, right?
Yeah.
And then I would twist them and twist them and twist them and twist them.
And make them tight, tight, tight.
Tight, tight, tight.
To squeeze all the water and let the water out of there. Oh, wow.
And then, obviously, it would be bigger.
Yeah.
It would be bigger. I would put it in the sink, like that, like this. Put it in the sink with weight on it.
Wait on it, like gallons of water. That's what I saw her last week. I saw her put gallons of water on here.
6 of these.
These full of these on top of the zucchinis to drain it out.
Yeah.
But today we're gonna save lots of time because I got one of these.
Yeah.
It's called
Oh
a-
my gosh. Lori, I'm going to put...
Yeah, so put them in there.
You can go on the other side of me if you want.
Yes.
It'd be better. So now, we're gonna put these in here,
Yes.
like that.
There you go. See, look at the water coming out.
Look!
Yeah. Wow. Keep going.
Look! Look!
Plop them in here.
See, there's no more water.
Yeah, no.
Leave it up to the Italians to think of this
Yeah,
ingenuity, right?
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh. That's exactly the way I want them. Perfect.
She's gonna fill this pot up with water. How many cups do you think that is? 2?
Wow. Oh, I don't know about cups now.
Yeah, just like.
I'm gonna start with three of these. Okay, so now I'm gonna add. Okay, this is the one I bought. It says Aceto di Vino Bianco, white wine vinegar. In America, our vinegar is clear like this.
But in America, what do people get? Because you're not going to find this in
You're gonna get the clear one.
the clear one, the pure white vinegar.
Distilled white vinegar.
Distilled white, pure white vinegar.
That's
what,
what we have.
But here in Italy, we're using this one. So how many of this are you going to put in there?
I'm gonna put all of this.
All
The whole bottle.
whole bottle.
There's a lot of zucchini in there.
Okay. How many liters?
It's a liter.
It's 1 liter. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Are you going to put more in? Are you really going to use the entire?
I'm gonna use all of it.
It's all going in. 1 liter.
I like the taste of the vinegar. I don't like them.
I do. That's what gives it the taste.
That's what gives it the taste.
Bottle. Okay, how is it, Zia? Nice?
You want to taste
Let me
it?
taste it. Yeah, let me tell you what it tastes like. Ooh, yeah.
Okay.
That's how I like my salad.
So now this has got to come to a boil.
So we're gonna boil this. Put this on high heat. Okay, it's boiling. How long are you gonna put it in there for? Let me count. 19. Does this have to come up to a boil again?
Just barely. Sometimes I don't even let it come to a boil. Okay, these are done. These are done.
Let's
Yep.
see how long it took. 22, 19, 20 to 1, 22. 3 minutes.
I told you, it's very little. If I didn't have this, I would have had to put it either in a tablecloth or
tea towel
this,
again.
and really keep it down with the weight.
Again, so you'd have to do it twice.
Yeah, for a long time.
Okay,
This is when I would leave it overnight.
leave it overnight. Okay.
Okay? Okay.
Now we got Tony over here to help us.
Okay, now the way to do this, you gotta do it slowly to give the liquid a chance to drain out.
Yes.
If you do it
Okay.
too fast, everything
Hold
just
on.
oozes up.
Oh, and that's what happened last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, as I'm getting resistance, you slow down.
Okay.
Because
And I'm getting,
when the water drains out, it's easier to push some more.
Okay. Oh, look how nice it's coming out.
yeah.
As long as it's draining, you don't have to do anything else. When it stops, then you turn it down a little more.
Okay, he does it nice and slowly. Good way to do it.
Well, you see, we needed a man here.
To know this. See, the man knows how
I
to
used
do
to do
wine.
grapes, I used to do wine.
Oh, that's
I
why.
know. If you meet a lot of resistance, it means there's a lot of water.
Okay.
And it needs time to get up.
Okay. So do this, you have to do it nice and slowly.
Well, I'll get the water out right to the bottom this way.
Yeah.
Oh, these are pretty dry, Laurie. Look.
Are they?
Yeah. I mean, I can do it again.
So do you think we're gonna need to do them again?
I can do it, but no force.
Okay, no force.
Oh, by the way, this is supposed to go like this. This spot is supposed to go in there.
Oh, wow, see? We got the engineer here for a reason. Before he arrived, we had 3 people doing this. Now he taught us how to do it. You have to do it nice and slow. The trick is to go
Slowly, let the
Slowly.
water drain.
and let the water drain. How's it going? Look how much water came out.
Huh? More water came out?
Yeah, we switched it around and then he pressed him again.
Wow.
The trick is, again, you had to go slow.
Once you got resistance, it means you got liquid. You can't
Yeah.
compress a liquid.
Yeah.
That's as dry as it's gonna be.
It's gonna be as dry as it's gonna be.
Are they good?
Let's see.
They look dry.
This is how they're supposed to be. See,
And
nice
they're really crunchy.
and dry.
And crunchy.
And crunchy.
So what's the next step here? We're gonna start fixing this.
Yeah.
And how many bulbs of garlic are you gonna use?
Oh, well, è a tutta piacere, like whatever you like.
So you're gonna add, what are you gonna add? Garlic?
Garlic, parsley,
Parsley.
and olive oil.
Add some parsley.
Okay, Lori, I'm gonna use my hands.
Okay, that's fine.
There's no oil on here, but I just
No.
wanna loosen them up
Loosen it up. So you loosen it up with your hands.
so that they can take the oil. They can absorb the oil. So now we add more parsley
Some more parsley and some more
and
garlic.
more garlic, because these are a lot. I didn't
Yeah.
think that we were gonna get so many.
Who taught you how to do this?
I was trying to think of who showed me.
You don't remember? How many years have you been
Oh
doing
my
this?
God, I've been making these forever. From Toronto, I was making them.
Huh, so over 40 years.
That's a long time.
Did your mom used to make these?
I think it was one of my neighbors. No,
Oh,
not
okay.
my mother. No.
One of your neighbors, Italian neighbors.
Okay?
Okay. Whoa. Is that plenty of garlic and plenty of parsley?
Yep.
Oh, now we're gonna. You're gonna add olive oil.
I'm gonna add olive oil because these you eat.
So yeah, because
I know, and I know when you put them in the refrigerator, they're gonna harden. The oil hardens. But as soon as you take them out and put them on the table, look, they're already.
oily, yeah.
Look.
And you said because you're gonna eat these, you don't.
I don't want to use another kind of
Yeah.
oil. I don't need any more oil, just a little bit.
Can I test one?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna test one.
Are they crunchy?
Yeah.
Are they
They're
good?
good. They're good.
They good?
And the taste of the vinegar is still in there too. And how do people eat this? You can just
Just
eat
like
them
that. Oh, I like them on
Like a
bread.
salad.
like a salad.
Like a salad.
Or you can even put them on a sandwich. You know
Oh,
what I mean?
oh, I love them on a sandwich.
Yeah.
That's what Michelle and Sandra do.
I suppose it'd be like a pickle, right?
Yeah.
Or a
pickled,
brick,
yeah.
or a carrot, a cracker, I mean. Okay, that's it. They're done.
They're done. So what are you gonna put them in?
One of your containers.
We're gonna put them in the containers and we put them in the fridge.
But
The pressers?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're gonna make them there. You need one of these.
Okay, I'm gonna
Okay.
cover it. I'm gonna put it in the fridge.
now I'm gonna put
Thank
some
you.
of mine.
Let's go walk over. Here we go. Oh look, we got visitors. Hey guys, look at our zucchini. Yes.
Figlia piattini.
And you want to put it? Okay, I'm gonna put it in the bread and I'm going to have them taste it.
Ecco,
Ecco.
chocolate cracks.
Hey, buone?
Ottimi, ottimi.
This is Zinina's recipe.
Ok.
Oh, non è come quella tomate.
No, mommy got it from Zinina anyways. How is it? Yeah, Christina.
So calda, Angus. Eh
Yeah.
sì. Buonissimi.
Good, grazie. Grazie.
Sta proprio buona, speciale, sta mettendo neanche, ma è ferma. Si crede che è?
Yeah,
Buona.
good.